Roger, that's probably the best part about it is the peer-to-peer. So that makes it the easiest. You don't have to rely on any other infrastructure to get it to you. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I have to start looking at that once I get my computer set up where I need to get the right software and stuff like that. But that's cool, man. What else? What other kind of radio stuff have you been doing? Over.
Yeah, man, JS8 also. JS8. I like WinLink and JS8 the most right now.